electrical cables with 50 meters, 100 meters, 20 meters, different lengths. And the next one is 3 coppers, all kind of electrical cables. And here is also all kind of compressor oils, and also each connection spare parts. This is for hand wave. This is hand wave for welding. Size is diameter 10. Turn this size, it means open, and you see, turn this size means open. Then turn left size is closed. Turn right is open. This is hand wave for welding. And this is some spare parts for connection, screw spare parts. This is all kind of screw